The 2025 to 2026 school year has been marked by a myriad of new rules, with everything from getting to class to going to the bathroom being regulated in some way. The 2025-26 homecoming dance is no exception to the new waiver rules.
The new year brings 3 new rules for homecoming. These rules tackle ticket sales, entry, and dance floor rules.
The first new rule change this year is pertaining to students having pockets, with the new rules saying that any student that has any sort of pockets in their pants or jackets will need to have them emptied and turned inside out to be checked by security.
Here's how DGS students feel about these new rules.
I think that a lot of people will feel a lot safer with this precaution and that it's good just for the safety of our students.
Think so. I mean, we don't want the dance to be dangerous at all, but I don't really like people searching my pockets, but it does make sense, I guess, but I personally don't like it.
The second new rule for this year pertains to entry as well as ticket purchasing, with tickets no longer be allowed to be purchased with cash at the door, but instead need to be bought online through the 5-Star app.
The final new rule for the 25-26 homecoming dance pertains to dance floor rules. Circling, crowd surfing, and shoulder climbing are absolutely not allowed due to previous incidents.
I feel like it kind of is sad, I guess, because I personally really enjoy the mosh pits and I personally participated in them, in my personal opinion. But I feel like it's a little sad, but I guess it makes sense because some people get a little excited, but personally I'm a little sad about it. However,
Staff feels different about these rules. Student Activities Director Jennifer Martinez shared the rationale behind these new rules.
Expectations due to previous incidents or as a precautionary measure?
So first of all, happy homecoming. We want everybody to buy their dance tickets to have a really great time at our dance. And one of the things that we did this year was we were very proactive in sharing dance behavior expectations so that it was clear to everyone what they can expect to come to the dance, and everything is a precautionary measure just to make sure that we're being proactive rather than reactive and that everybody knows what to expect.
In the new HOCO dance expectations, circling is no longer allowed. Can you explain what that is and why it's no longer allowed?
So first of all, as we go to dance behavior expectations, we always want our students to have fun. So whether we're circling, we're shoulder climbing, lifting somebody, crowd surfing, all of those behaviors at DGS have never been allowed. We have just seen an increase in that type of behavior. So this year we communicated clearly with all the students that this behavior is not allowed. My understanding of circling, because I don't circle, is that students are in a circle and then they're almost pushing in also. So someone might be in the center dancing, someone might be, circling around, but they're pushing. So as they start pushing, then they're putting pressure on the people that are in other areas of the dance floor, which could cause them to lose their balance, which creates an unsafe condition. So we want to make sure that as everybody is dancing and having a good time in a more concert-like environment, because that's how our dances have evolved. And so we want everyone to be able to have a safe and fun time without risking anything that could harm their safety.
And then does DGS review the HOCO rules every year or are they updated as needed?
And reviews the dance. So we have a dance, we have a fun time, we reflect on how the dance went, and we think about what changes we need to make so that we can make the experience better for all of the students involved.
These new rules will be enacted during South's homecoming dance September 20th beginning at 6:45 p.m.